A new trend on the market today is people wanting to follow a keto diet. A ketogenic diet is a promising option for those looking to cut out carbs and lose weight. However, eating a keto diet is not as easy as it sounds. The plan requires careful attention to the types of food eaten and the number of carbs, protein, and fat consumed per day. This is where custom keto plans come to save you. The custom meal plan allows you to have access to all your favorite foods. It provides the flexibility of eating your favorite foods while still getting the best results possible. Custom keto plans can be tailored to various goals from weight loss, diabetes management, and more. Many foods are perfect for eating on a custom meal plan. These include fish of all types, poultry, eggs, avocado, broccoli, peanuts, lobster, beef, almonds, spinach, strawberries, cheese, etc. Benefits of custom meal plan. Custom meal plans contain all the benefits of a keto diet yet give you the flexibility to choose your favorite food to eat. The few critical benefits of custom meal plans are: it helps in weight loss, it makes you feel more energetic, it enables you to fight diabetes, encourages brain function, improves blood cholesterol levels, save you from fatal health conditions. Keto breakfast. For anyone looking to start the day off right, keto breakfast is a great way to power up with healthy fats and protein. People may eat eggs, bacon, avocados, cheese, cold cuts for keto breakfast and drink keto hot chocolate, chai latte, coffee or tea. Keto breakfast helps you remain full throughout the day and provides sustained energy. Another advantage of keto breakfast is that it helps control insulin levels because it reduces the body's insulin response to food, which can cause weight gain. Custom keto diet plan reviews. A custom keto diet plan helps the body achieve a state of ketosis yet by eating your favorite foods. You can create a custom keto diet plan that will suit your tastes and your health needs. But so many people are scared of trying new diets. They fear that they won't be able to stick to them and will gain all of the weight they lost. To help you make the decision, let's have a look at custom keto diet reviews. Pros. Natural eating program. A custom meal plan is a natural eating program to live a healthy life. You don't have to rely on pills and supplements. Instead, you can achieve your desired goals by eating food you like. Weight loss. Custom keto plan restricts your carb intake, which forces your body to enter ketosis. It is a state in which your body uses fat as an alternative energy source in the shortage of carbs, reducing body weight. Dynamic program. Custom keto is a dynamic program. If the food doesn't suit your body, you can change the program entirely according to your conditions. Regulate blood pressure. It's been shown to be effective in treating and managing high blood pressure because it lowers insulin levels, which can reduce inflammation and help regulate blood pressure. Health benefits. Custom meal plans help the body achieve the state of ketosis. Ketosis not only results in weight loss, but also offers other health benefits. Few of them are: reduces the risk of certain cancers, improve heart health, helps in diabetes, improves PCOS symptoms, reduces seizure, improves brain function, it keeps cholesterol levels down. Cons. Compared to the pros of the custom keto, there is much to say in the cons of the custom keto diet review. However, one major problem that people have faced is keto flu. The keto flu is a name for the side effects someone might experience when transitioning to a ketogenic diet. It is not an infection or illness but rather a set of symptoms relieved by drinking lots of fluids. The most common symptoms are headaches, tiredness, hunger, nausea, and constipation. The keto flu usually lasts anywhere from 1 day up to 2 weeks before it goes away. In conclusion, we know that having a custom keto diet is better for you and your body. A custom keto diet is the best way to live a healthy lifestyle because it helps you decide the food as per your taste. Choosing foods that are low-carb but high-fat can help you lose weight, improve insulin levels, minimize inflammation in the body, and even fight illness. Get your own personalized keto meal plan here, bit.ly/3october3mj.